This is it. There's one more. I mean, there's more right over there. Let's see the train. Just can see me. Hopefully you can see me. And guys, this is just a paramedic and ambulance. Yeah. Oh, alright, here it comes this time. I mean, here it comes. Let's see, you must have gave me a whole show in this time. Let's go. Now I'm gonna count to 3 this time. 3, 2, 1. Okay, still not gonna see me. They still not see me. Still. Come on, man. You're supposed to give me a horn show. Come on. Oh, there's more right here. This what's this? This is called the express train. The passenger train, the express train. I was now taking like a long time to go. Would you look at that? Look at that. The train is going slow. Right just now. The same one. Hello, express train. You're blocking it. But I still see it in the window. The stupid, the train didn't move. They're blocking. Look, see? And now the train is stopped. Alright. Well, I had to go back, I guess. I'll be back.